A dental implant is a permanent replacement for a single missing tooth, a couple missing teeth, all the way to a full arch of missing teeth. If we are able to replace the root, then we can replace the tooth. If a tooth goes missing, it has a number of repercussions. The bone that supports the tooth will go away. Once the bone and the lip support and the cheek support that those teeth provide are gone, then the facial aesthetics start to change. So if we're able to replace that missing tooth permanently, for example with an implant, we're able to have the body maintain the bone. Being able to replace a missing tooth or missing teeth with dental implants is perhaps the best way that we have of restoring form and function to your mouth for a very long time.